So in this problem we've got exercise 3.6, and the problem we draw it out looks like that. We have three mesh currents coming out here. So what we want to do, this problem's kind of cool. I like this one a lot because it's fun. We have to conceptually think about it though. We could do this, but what does this share between this? This shares 4. So obviously I2 minus I1 equals 4 because that's exactly what we're doing in normal. The things that go through one side minus the things that go through the other, but we actually have a value for this. So we're actually going to be able to get our first equation through this current source, which is kind of cool. So we look at this and we're going to go I2 minus I1, because remember, one's going through this source in this way, in the direction of it, and this one's going against it. So it's this, minus I1, excuse me. And we're going to know the value of it because it equals 4. That's our first equation. Let's go over here to this one. We have another of these current sources. So what's this going to say? This one's going to be, we're going to do the same thing. I3 minus I2 equals minus I3. So I3 minus I2 equals minus 3. And again, we're going I3. It's going opposite of the current source. So that's why this one. And then we have I2 going with the current source. So it's the opposite. And we have the opposite of this. So you could also do a negative, positive, positive. I just did positive, negative, negative. Doesn't matter because they're going to cancel out algebraically. So this is our first equation. This is our second equation. Now, we've answered both of these. We've got I1, I2, I2, I3, 3 equations, 3 unknowns, and we have a whole bunch of resistors we haven't done yet. So let's do these resistors. Now let's look. We have, what touches this resistor? I1 only. Does I2? No, I2 is over here. It doesn't share anything. So this is going to be 2I1. And then what do we got over here? We've got a 3 touching I2. Does this touch any of the other meshes? No, this is only an I2. So we're going to get plus 3I2. Then we're going to have this one over here. This doesn't touch any of the other meshes either. So this is going to be 5I3. And there's no sources coming in here, so that equals 0. That is our third equation. This problem was super simple. So let's pull this out. I1, I2, I3, number. I1 equals, what is that? Minus 1, 1, 0. And then what is our thing for this one? 4, right? Yeah, 4. And now we've got, for the next one, we've got 0, minus 1, 1, minus 3. And then the last one, we've got 2, 3, 5, 0. A matrix minus 1, B matrix equals answer. And this is going to equal minus 1.7, 2.3, minus 0.7. This one is I1, this one is I2, this one is I3. I3 equals minus 0.7. Done. That one was fun. I like that problem.